Okay.
Water's flow.
1 second.
So let's say
Yeah, no, storage full.
Arizona, Utah, New Mexico, Arizona, Colorado, all this area used to be all this sand right here. So when when all this, before the sea came, this all used to be a desert. So when you get sand, you get it wet, right? It keeps its shape and it stays like this. See that? Okay, see that how it keeps its shape? And when you crush it, it goes back in the sand again. Okay, so what we do here is to get these layers. See how there's layers on these things? Okay, so to get those layers, how they did it was these, like one area of like this is hard, then you put more sand on top of it like this, and then you get it wet. Now you have 2 layers. Okay,
Yes.
and you keep doing this over and over again. However, you know, it just goes like this, keeps doing this over and over again. Okay, keeps doing this over and over and over again.
So, and all this process happened for millions of years, right?
Yes, this is over millions and millions of years. So,
And
so if you look right here, you see these lines, these steps. Okay, see the different ways the rock's going? That's these layers that I'm putting on like this. Okay, so eventually it becomes a big old sand pile like this. Eventually there's rock underneath it as well. And then you just, and then it rains. Okay, slowly like this. All right, so then that happens, then all this blows away. Like this, okay? Oh, this wind blows it all away. Then you're left with rock, like this, okay? See how it looks how it's formed out, see that?
Yes.
Then you have rain coming from the top, okay?
Okay.
When that rain comes from the top, it cuts through this rock and sand like butter. See?
okay.
Now, it's kind of like a miniature Antelope Canyon. So, you noticed when I was pouring the water through, you noticed there's some small turbulences and stuff like that on the inside, right?
Yeah.
Now, remember what we were looking at on the inside of there? Remember all those deep curves, those deep scoops you saw? Look in here. Right there. See that nice little dip right inside there?
Yeah, the same way how.
Uh-huh. Just like inside the rocks, inside the canyon. That's exactly how all that formed out.
And all that became a rock.
Uh-huh. And so eventually, the only thing, so this is carved all the way down. All this is just filled in with sand. So a big flash flood will actually take all this sand out. It would take like a mega flood just for all this sand to move out like this.
Oh.
And expose all this rock.
Oh.
It's crazy. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.